said, I have to take a tour first, see the city for myself before going to meet a tour guide to take me on a work tour. So I love seeing the city myself before a professional guide me through. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And it's actually a beautiful city, guys. Madrid. Here, they speak Spanish a lot, but are also willing to help you out with the little English they know. That's one nice thing I notice about them. Like, if they notice you don't speak the Spanish, they will try their best to speak the little English just to guide you. But I think also I should be able to also learn this Spanish, honestly. Learn foreign language, because I travel a lot, so I should be able to learn. But I heard in France, they want you to learn how to speak their language. They don't want to guide you. They don't want you to try even speaking English. Even though they understand English, they will not like speaking English. That's what I heard about France. I don't know, but I'm going there soon, of course. A lot of tourists here. A lot of tourists, guys. So, talking about accommodation here, it's just like all the big cities in Europe. It's actually crazy expensive. One thing that will always finish your money in Europe, in case you don't know, is transportation. Transportation is crazy here. Like Uber transport, boats, and all those type of transportation. Here is crazy. But you're a tourist, you don't know the town, you don't know where to go catch the next train and all that. So it leave you with no option than to go for those app taxi that is very easy to access. So by so doing, you are spending a lot of money, guys. So like I took a boat from the airport to where my hotel is in the city center. It charged me 33 euros. 33 euros is equivalent to 65 or 67,000 man for just a taxi, man. So it's crazy, guys. If you really need to, so these are the metro. You see, I don't know that there's a metro here to get along. Oh man, love this. Let me show you. Can you see? Man. Now this is what we call advanced city. Like I said, I'm not the only tourist here. You see? I need a great picture here. Let's see. So, like I said, it's actually a tourist town. You see people who came all the way from all the France, Italy, the rest of Europe, the rest of the world to explore just like you. So you feel safe, you feel relaxed because you're not the only person around here doing. So like I said, I am exploring this city myself. So one thing I discovered about this place is actually a busy town. They don't sleep here. They like enjoyment. Espanol. And for you who doesn't know, Madrid is actually a busy city in Spain. It's actually one of the popular. I think I'll also do this tour, this Madrid city tour. Yes, I think I'll do it before I leave. Do it. So, like I was telling you, Madrid is a very popular city in Spain here. Actually very busy with a lot of tourists. Oh, what's that? Our building is crazy. So I think this is like the city center. You see, it's quite a beautiful city, guys. This is the city center. Lots of people. Yeah, there are towns you go to. There are cities you go to in Europe. Everywhere is scanty, but not Madrid. Especially in the summertime. You know, I was exploring Europe during the winter, but it's crazy cold. I couldn't even achieve anything then, so I have to back down, waiting for summer to come around. And now it's summertime, and now I'm hitting the road again to explore Europe. I'm in this very popular square. I don't know what it's called, but I think it's very popular. I've seen it on Instagram. Let's check it out. I don't know what that's called, but I will find out. So guys, I'm in front of this very historical monument here. Great. You can only discover this while you are walking. It's a beautiful country, actually. Well planned. Love it. So this is the street of Madrid, Spain. My love for this city, Spain, actually. Another city I will want to visit before I check out of Spain is Barcelona. Barcelona. If not for nothing, for the famous Barcelona Football Club. So I actually want to also explore that city. I heard it's a city with a lot of beach. You know, Madrid doesn't have beach here. I think it's a landlocked city. It doesn't have beach. So but I heard Barcelona do have beach. So I will check it out also if I have time and resources as well, guys. As you know, you need raw cash to travel Europe. Europe is it's not cheap. I'm still walking. I don't want to go too much far from where my accommodation is, so that I don't get lost. You see, one thing about me is anywhere I stay, I want to stay at the city center where I can access everything. Like where I'm staying right now, I can actually access all the tourist sites in the city. So when I'm making, okay, let's see this thing from different angles. Wow, it's crazy, man. So when I'm booking accommodation, I always want to consider the location of where I will stay. So that's the same thing I did here in Madrid. It's really helping me to reduce this transportation cost. Like I said, transportation is crazy here in Madrid and also other developed European cities. It's really crazy expensive. So when I want to book accommodation, I always consider where it stays. Man, people like relaxing here. So you can see, this is the back of, man, I just need to take pictures. I'm going to take pictures. I want to stop. Look at this. Look at this view. It's crazy, man. You see? Oh. I'm going to take pictures. You see, it's not, I'm not the only one exploring. And a lot of people are taking pictures already. But there are many. I'll come back and take pictures. Now, let's walk. So these are the metro. Only when you walk you understand it. You stay in your accommodation, you don't get to, because it's a metro station. That's underground metro. If you don't want to take Uber, this is actually the option you have. So, still walking. I hope I don't. I hope I don't get lost. But that's what I do. I get lost anywhere I go to. I get lost actually. That's the fun of business we do. So we get lost. We still locate where we are going to. Tourism is life. You get to understand things about people. Like, if you stay in your country, you never get to know most of all these things that you know right now. So it's a beautiful thing. A beautiful thing. But it costs money, bro. I love doing what I do. I love doing what I do. Tourism. It's everything. The park right here. So like I said, I'm in Madrid, Spain. And I thank God I made this trip. This is one of the cities that I've dreamt of exploring even before I became man. Came in the night, I couldn't go out because it was already late. But what surprised me, I came around 8 p.m. But it's as if it's still 4 o'clock, guys. Like 8 p.m. and everywhere was still bright. Man, I was shocked. So I couldn't go out. I was inside all through. Then this morning I have to take a walk. I was so tired, so I have to sleep, waiting for this morning to explore. And the city did not disappoint me. Beautiful city. With beautiful people as well. The city is very tall. I'm definitely going to do it before I go. This Madrid city tour. I'm going to do it. Really going to do this before I leave here. So, like I said, we're still discovering the city. A beautiful city here.
Era todo tiempo. Ahora no, ahora